Hello, my name's Luke Harris, International Artistic Director for LABEL.M and toni&guy.
Hi, I'm Sophie Springett, Artistic Director for toni&guy and LABEL.M Professional, and we're here at the LABEL.M campaign 1819.
We really wanted to move forward from last year's inspiration, which was more of a 70s feel, and we started to push it on to more of an 80s, 90s inspired curl. When working with naturally very curly hair, the real key to it is prep, so we made sure the hair was very, very wet to start with before applying the new anti-frizz balm from the mid-length to the ends.
We worked with the curl-defined foam, and this really enhanced the texture and allowed us to bring out maximum volume, but in a lightweight way. Working with the cold air from the hairdryer to break up and using the brand new anti-frizz mist.
Once the hair was totally dry, we started to use the new LABEL.M wand, and we went through and we wanted to create a little bit more of an irregular texture throughout the hair.
To define this and break it up, we worked with curl-defined balm. Finishing it off and defining the silhouette, we worked with the LABEL.M hairspray to give a lightweight feel.